Good evening, Rutgers. This is Weather Watcher Max Hazzon here to give you your Watching the Storm update on March 5th, 2018. So luckily, this storm is not going to be coming in until at least late tomorrow night. We'll have a relatively decent day tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-40s. But once tomorrow night comes in, we'll have the winter storm watch start, which is in effect from 7 p.m. tomorrow night until 3 a.m. Thursday morning. So Wednesday's going to be the day where we're going to see a big mess of snow on the road. More with that in a little bit. Temperatures, though, will be staying relatively around average for most of the week with the exception of Wednesday. Current watches and warnings right now, this is what's really concerning, is the stuff in the light blue. That's a winter storm watch. We could see potentially 7, 8+ inches of snow. So I'm not going to be surprised that this light blue can turn into a winter storm warning sometime tomorrow afternoon. But let's take a look at current satellite radar right now. There's the storm all the way out west in Chicago right now. That's going to be moving its way all the way into our area by late tomorrow night and to early Wednesday morning. And looking at a greater picture at the continental scale, so we have some rain showers that are also associated with this system into Indianapolis right now. All this will be pushing its way eastward into our region. So the question is, though, is that will it be a mainly rain, a mix, or a snow event? Well, according to this model right now, here in New Brunswick, this is around 4 a.m., so the early morning hours of Wednesday. It looks like it's that we're going to see more of a mixture. But as the morning goes on, you can actually see, if you caught a glimpse of it, that it actually turns over to rain for a brief period of time before it changes over to all snow late in the morning. And then it clears out by late Wednesday evening. However, though, models are still very uncertain as to what exactly could happen. So this could be a longer duration event. So we could see snow even last through midnight. And the same thing is with total accumulations. Total accumulations right now are also very uncertain. This is 12 p.m. the RPM model on Wednesday. They're showing 2 inches already on the ground here in New Brunswick. But as the day goes on, it actually picks up really quickly at 7 inches. And by the end of the storm, 7, 8 inches, which does seem right, but in terms of the timing, though, it could actually occur later. However, though, in terms of canceling classes for maybe tomorrow night or tomorrow evening, I would definitely not be surprised if that were going to be the case. But let's bring it back to our region. Our temperatures for today: high temperature of 44 degrees, low temperature of 31, right around our average for this time of year. Definitely nowhere near our record highs and lows temperatures as well. And for tonight's lows, a pretty cool night compared to recent nights. 27 in our neighboring town in East Brunswick, 31 in Newark, 27 in Atlantic City, 30 degrees down in Wildwood. But as we head further to the north and west, it gets much, much cooler. Up in Oneonta, 15 degrees, 19 degrees in Ithaca, 31 in Boston, and down in Dover, 29 degrees. But looking ahead tomorrow, temperatures will spike up relatively quickly. 35 degrees by 9 a.m., a light northwesterly wind at 5 miles per hour with a few clouds lingering in the area. So stepping off for your 7-day forecast, Wednesday is going to be the jackpot day for the wintry mess. So we could see rain, but we most likely will see snow throughout the entire duration of the event. So in terms of accumulation, somewhere roughly between, I would say, 6 to 10 inches or so is most likely what most of the models are going with. So once that clears out, Thursday through Sunday, drier weather, temperatures in the lower to mid-40s with a chance of another possible coastal system on Monday and into Tuesday. So more of that will come later this week. But if you miss us, you can check us out every 15 minutes on channel 23.1 at RUTV Network. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher, or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW and submit your photos using the hashtag RUWeather. And for more information, come to our website at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Max Hazzon. Have a great evening, Rutgers.